Shenzhen ITA Touch Technology Company Limited, established in 2016, locates in Shenzhen, a special economic zone with convenient transportation, owning an R&D team that is undergraduated or higher, and a large-scale plant with semi-automatic production lines assures the supply to you the quality and service guarantee of the OEM, ODM, customized products, and the delivery in time. We focus on interactive high-tech products, specializing in the development of interactive touchscreen monitor, 3D hologram fan, digital signage display, infrared multi-touch frame, interactive whiteboard, and interactive teaching and learning software for education, meeting and advertising. With the setting up of the scientific management system in production, sales, technical supporting, and service organization, our products and services have been getting good and very good reviews above 99% of our clients from more than 30 countries and areas. Truth-seeking, innovation, development is the belief of ITA Touch and consistently sticks on the principle of faith, conscientious service, and people-oriented. We strive to become one of the top suppliers in the field of interactive electric products. We have done and keep doing better and better. ITA Touch people are full of confidence and earnestly hope to have your joint enlarge both of our business and establish the health and long business relationship in the near future. Warmly welcome to visit us. Anytime, please do not hesitate to contact us for any order discussion.
What?